Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix X Twitter profile update failed. If your profile is not updating on the X Twitter and you're trying again and again, what you can do. The number one option is you can just simply go on the web browser, search for X Help Center at the very top. Simply go in the X Help Center and you can easily click on contact us and you can write it like my profile is not updating. But otherwise what you can do is just simply hold on the X mobile application and click on the I button on the left side. The app information should appear. From here click on storage and at the bottom click on clear data, click on clear cache and click on OK. Once you do that, go back to the home screen and refresh the X app. Go to the Play Store and search for X. Make sure to update the app if not, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.